welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at yɛwu Mary. Mary yɛwu me the missing now. We are going to look at the various chord changes, and then for the lyrics you have to look for the song and then learn it. But we are going to look at the various chord changes and how they played the song. So kindly hit on the subscribe button if you are a new member on this channel, and then give a comment. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. You can also send me a WhatsApp message on the number on the screen right now. So let's quickly take our guitar and then let's learn together. All right, we are looking at C major. We are looking at C major. We are going to play these chords. Please take note. We are going to play C major. Take note of these chords. Good. We are going to play A minor. We will play D minor. We will play G major. We will play diminished B. Diminished B. Look at it. Look at it very well. Diminished B. B diminished. B diminished. My first finger is on B. My second finger is on A. My second finger is on A. My third finger is on E. And then my fourth finger is on D. We have B diminished. Alright, so we'll play it like this. Good. We'll play G diminished. This is G diminished or E diminished. G diminished, diminished G or E diminished. Good. So we'll play B diminished. We play G diminished. D minor 7th. D minor 7th. She said the medium is your first finger no is D no so. Good. Now our second finger is F so ha. Okay. Now our third finger and so is A so A so. So D F A. Then you play. You have D minor 7th. Good. We will also play E minor 7th. This shape D minor 7th, you take it the same shape to E, you have E minor 7th. Good. Good. So let's quickly wrap up with the chords we are going to play. I said you play C major. Can you play it for me? I said we are going to play A minor. We are going to play D minor. We are going to play G major. We will play diminished B. Can you play it for me? We will play diminished G or E diminished. We will play D minor 7th. We will also play E minor 7th. we will play C major 7th. Can you play C major 7th for me? Good. It's like this. Your first finger on C here. Your second finger on B here. Your third finger on G here. And then your pinky finger on E here. You have a shape like this. You have a shape like this. C major 7th. When we drag it backwards, we get B major 7th. We will also play. Good. Let us quickly look at the introduction of the song. It is like this. Mi, fa, fi. Then you respond so, but the so you are playing diminished G as a chord. So like this. Let's play it again. I hope you have got it. Play it and let me see. Mi, fa, fi. Then you respond with G diminished. So, mi, fa, fi. Good, 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 good. You've done well. Then, come to the 8th fret on the B string. The 8th fret on the B string, you play so, la, so. Okay, so, la, so. Or, yeah, you can play any of them. So, la, so, or so, la, so. I'm looking for G, A, G, G, A, G. So any way you can play the G, A, G, G, A, G, G, A, G. Okay. So, la, so. Then you play D minor 7th. Good. Let us put these two together like this. Again. Good. Bit by bit, we are going. Then come to C and play like this. This is C, the 8th fret on the E string. This is C. Play. Good. After playing this, then you play good. So you play D minor 7th, you play E diminished or G diminished, back to D minor 7th, then back to C major 7th. Good. Let us organize it. Good. You have it. Let's continue. After playing, then you come to G major. Okay. Then you play C sus 4. C suspended 4. C suspended 4. Put your forefinger on the F here. Then you'll see you get your C major. Okay. You play. Good. That is C suspended fourth. Very good. Good. Let's do it with a timing and see. Very good. The intro is very nice. So let me organize it very slowly. The chord progressions goes like this: C, A minor, D minor, G major. That's the first phase. Okay, good. The first phase. The intro and then the chord progression. The first phase. Let's see. A minor, D minor, G major. Then we are going to C major. Then you drag to E minor 7. We play C major. Good. C major. You play E minor 7th. Then you come to D minor 7th. Then you play okay. La do la la do la la do la. So then you come to C major 7th. Then G major. Then you come to C major 7th. You play the bass, only the bass. Then you respond. Then you go to B major 7. Then you come to A minor. Then you play do mi so. At this time on diminished G. Then this is D minor 7th also here. We have a long introduction to learn. It is very short, but I think I have taken my time to take you through it. You take your time and then learn this one too. Okay, let me move on to the song a bit, then we continue. Oh, me Mary, me be me sing Onyina mau. Oh, me Mary, me be me sing Onyina mau. Say me fe wenim any kesia kami. This is B diminished. Odo yɛwu. You go to G diminished. Then you come to C major. Oh, me Mary, A minor, D minor, B, me, some G major, C, La, A, D minor, G, C, me, Fe, wenim, any G, kesia kami. Odo yɛwu. This is D minor 7th over here. Odo yɛwu. Very good. Oba Mary. So Oba Mary, you go to D minor 7th. Say me huwa. Mi di die nye ye. Enyuma mi tui. Mi tu mi ma wo. Oba Mary ya jimi so. Odo yewu. Mi di ma Onyina mau. Au Mary. Mi di mi sem nyina mau. Se mi hwe wanim. Eni ji kesi akami. Odo yewu. Odo yewu. Very good. This seems to be a long lesson, but it's quite interesting to sit down and learn. Let's wrap up. We have done the introduction. Good. So, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then click the notification so that you always be notified anytime I upload a video. This seems to be a long video. If you're a new subscriber, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Then let me have your comment at the comment box. Meet you another time. Thank you.